Good morning, children. After the explanation of the poem The Naughty Boy, today we are going to do textbook exercise. What we are going to do? Textbook exercise. Reading is fun. Reading is fun. From where did the naughty boy come? From where did the naughty boy come? So what is the answer? What will you write? The naughty boy. The answer is itself in the question. So what will you write? The naughty boy. The naughty boy came from England. The naughty boy came from England. From where did the naughty boy came? Came from England. So this is the answer of the first one. From where did the naughty boy come? So the naughty boy come, it will become came from. You have to just learn the word England. What you have to learn? The word England. Question 2. Where did the naughty boy go? Where did the naughty boy go? वो जो नटखट लड़का है वो कहाँ गया? So the naughty boy went to England. The naughty boy. See, the naughty boy is in the question only. The naughty boy. The naughty boy. Go, it will become went. Went to Scotland. Where did the naughty boy went? The naughty boy went to Scotland. S-C-O-T, Scot. L-A-N-D, land. Scotland. Where did the naughty boy go? The naughty boy went to Scotland. Question 3. Why did he go there? Question 3. Why did he go there? वो वहाँ क्यों गया? So answer, he, H-E, that is the naughty boy. The boy, we can say that also. The boy went there. The boy went there to see his people. To see its people. To see his people and things there. And things there. What else? And things there. Why did the naughty boy went over there? The naughty boy went there to see its people and things there. What did the boy wonder about? Question 4. What did the boy wonder about? लड़का किस विषय को लेकर आश्चर्यचकित था? So the answer will be what? The boy, T-H-E, the, B-O-Y, boy, wondered, W-O-N-D-E-R-E-D, wondered, that, T-H-A-T, that, all the things, T-H-E, the, T-H-I-N-G-S, all the things found, F-O-U-N-D, found, in Scotland, S-C-O-T, Scot, L-A-N-D, land, in Scotland, were same, W-E-R-E, were, S-A-M-E, same, as were in England, as were in England. So this is the answer of the fourth question. Okay, what did the boy wonder about? So लड़का किस विषय को लेकर आश्चर्यचकित था? The boy wondered that all the things found in Scotland were same as were in England. It was same to same as were in England. Now listen to these instructions and we'll follow them. A. Naughty walk forward. Naughty walk forward. Naughty walk backward. Fall down. Do a funny tricks. Walk on tiptoes. Drag your feet. Spin around. Spin around. Jump like a horse. Walk with your shoes. Shuffle your feet. So all these things a naughty boy or naughty person does. Now we'll go to the next page. Now over here, naughty is describing word. What is naughty? Naughty is a describing word. Can you find more describing words in this maze? Now we have to find more describing words in this maze. So first we will find it out. What is the other describing words? Over here, see, beautiful. What is the describing word? Beautiful. beautiful. This is beautiful. This is what? Beautiful. ful. This is beautiful. 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 Now after beautiful you can see over here. Here you can see in beautiful only U alphabet you can see. So that word if you will take it becomes ugly. 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 Then the next word is what? Naughty. So naughty. 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 Now after naughty, beautiful is over, naughty is over, ugly is over. Now here you can see in naughty G alphabet is there. Yes, so below U there is G. So G-O-O-D, good. G-O-O-D, good. G-O-O-D, good. G-O-O-D, good. After good, we'll take healthy. Here below G there is H alphabet. So H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy. Now after healthy, we'll go with rude. Below L you can see R word is there. R is there. So R-U-D-E, rude over here. R-U-D-E, rude. R-U-D-E, rude. Now below R there is L, S alphabet, that is swift. S-W-I-F-T, swift. S-W-I-F-T, swift. Now over here you can see in healthy, after E, A is there. Below E, A is there. Now below A there is W. So it is W-E-A-K, weak. W-E-A-K, weak. W-E-A-K, weak. So that is the word over weak. Now you can see below B, where we had written beautiful spelling over there. Below B, C is there. Below C, G is there. Below G again E is there. Below E, S is there. So this word becomes what? Strong. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. So how many words we learned over here, children? The first one was beautiful. Then we learned naughty. After that ugly. After that good. Healthy. Rude. Swiftly. And then strong. And then last weak. Now we will read these words. Now write these words here. We'll take the words from this maze and we'll fill up these blanks. So shall we start, children? Yes. The peacock is a dash bird. What is peacock? Peacock is a dash bird. So what will you write? Beautiful. Beautiful. So you can see peacock is a beautiful bird. Pinocchio is a dash puppet. So you can see over here Pinocchio is there. So what we said? Naughty. 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 Pinocchio is a naughty puppet. I saw an dash coral. So ugly. Ugly. Ugly coral. I saw an ugly coral. Next, morning exercise makes you healthy. So here it will be healthy. 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 A glass of milk makes your teeth strong. 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 Next, Rita's dash behavior annoyed me. So Rita, rude behavior. RUDE, rude behavior annoyed me. Last, Rahul does not eat green vegetables, therefore his eyesight is weak. WEAK, weak. Yes, children, we should always eat leafy vegetables so our eyes also become strong. We should eat all kinds of fruits and vegetables. So once again we will read this puzzle. 1. The peacock is a beautiful bird. The peacock is a beautiful bird. Pinocchio is a naughty puppet. I saw a ugly coral. I saw an ugly coral. Morning exercise make you healthy. A glass of milk make your teeth strong. Rita's rude behavior annoyed me. Rahul does not eat green vegetables, therefore his eyesight is weak. His eyesight is weak. Now let's write. What is the question? Can you write 6 things that are made of wood? The things which are made of wood, that things we have to mention over here. So first, CHAIR, chair. Then second, TABLE, table. Then third, bookshelf. BOOK, book. SHELF, bookshelf. Then bench. BENCH, bench. Cupboard. CUPBOARD, cupboard. And the last one is bat. BAT, bat. So you can imagine these things are made from the wood. Once again we will read. Chair, table, bookshelf, bench, cupboard, bat. Now next, look at the words given below and put them under the things that they are made of. What we have to do? We have to look at the words in the brackets given below, and then here we have to put in their correct columns. We'll read the words in the bracket first. Balloon, chair, table, eraser, shirt, pencil, toys, car, trousers, knife, scissor, cap. Now over here, metal, wood, rubber and cloth. Here 4 columns are given. We have to write in the correct column. So CAR, car. What we are going to write over here in metal? CAR, car. CAR, car. Then for wood, chair. CHAIR, chair. CHAIR, chair. Then balloon. of rubber, right? Balloon is of rubber only made. So BALLOON, balloon. Shirt, SHIRT, shirt. SHIRT, shirt. Then the next line is what? Knife, KNIFE, knife. That is of metal, KNIFE, knife. TABLE, table. ERASER, eraser. Then trouser, TROUSER, trousers. Then again in metal we will write scissor, SCISSORS, scissors. In wood, pencil, PENCIL, pencil. Rubber, toys, TOYS, toys. And cloth, CAP, cap, cap. So once again we will read in metal, car, CAR, car. Then knife, KNIFE, knife. And scissor, SCISSORS, scissors. Now in wood, CHAIR, chair. Table, TABLE, table. TABLE, table. And the last, pencil, PENCIL, pencil. Now in rubber, BALLOON, balloon. ERASER, eraser. And the last is toys, TOYS, toys. Then cloth, the last one is cloth. So SHIRT, shirt. SHIRT, shirt, that is made of cloth. Then trouser, TROUSERS, trousers. And the last is what? Cap, 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 cap. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Who do you think is the naughtiest child in your class? Do you think is the naughtiest child in your class? Describe his or her or him in 5 lines. What we have to do? We have to describe her or him in 5 lines. Somebody must be naughty, right? Sometimes you also do naughty pranks, naughty things with your parents or with your brothers, sisters who are younger to you, small to you, right? You do some type of mischief also. So let us see over here. We'll talk about a boy who is naughty and what pranks or what mischief he does. Okay, it is said in your class. Sanju is the naughtiest boy in my class. What will write? Sanju. SANJU. Sanju is the naughtiest. NAUGHTIEST. Naughtiest boy in my class. boy in my class. Right? Now next is what? He never concentrates on his studies. Second thing what he does? He never concentrate. Means he never pays attention in the class what the teacher teaches. So he never concentrate in the studies. CONCENTRATE. Never concentrate on his studies. He disturbs me and other students of the class. What the next point you will do? What he does? He disturb. DISTURB. He disturbs me. He disturbs me and other and other, OTHER, and other students of the class, and other students of the class. So long the teacher is there in the class, he tries to be silent. What he does? Yes, he's scared, or you can say afraid of the teacher. So as long as the teacher is in the class, he keeps quiet. He tries to be silent. But the moment he or she goes out, he starts shouting. But the moment the teacher leaves the classroom, Sanju starts shouting. He often beats his classmate. What else naughty thing he does? He often beats his classmates. So once again we will read, children. Who do you think is the naughtiest child in your class? Describe her or him in 5 lines. So what is the first one? Sanju is the naughtiest boy in my class. Then he never concentrates on his studies. He disturbs me and other students of the class. So long the teacher is there in the class, he tries to be silent. What he does? He tries to be silent. But the moment the teacher goes out, he starts shouting. In the last, he often beats his classmate. What he does? He beats his classmate. He beats his classmates. Now children, over here on the last page, there is an activity. What it is? It is an activity. Here what you have to do? Here you have to make a funny clown. What you have to do? Here you have to make a funny clown. You can see over here. A clown is being made, right? So all things which are there in your house, that only you have to use it and make it a funny clown. Here the things which are needed is shown over here, is written over here, the method also. So you can make a funny clown whatever the materials and whatever the things are available in your house. Okay, so dear children, you have to do this exercise in your English notebook only, in your textbook. You have to do this exercise in your textbook only with neat and good handwriting. You have to complete this exercise in your Marigold textbook only with neat and good handwriting. Thank you, students.